Hey guys, today I have another VR accessory video for you for the Meta Quest 3. This time I have a package from KIWI Design. Now we have a cool head strap, we have controller grips, and we have an adapter kit for the Quest 2 accessories. That's really cool. So how to assemble it and what it costs and how good it is you will find in this video. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Thank you to my sponsors Woodghost VR, Opperman Events and Virtual Escape. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, the first thing I want to thank KIWI Design for sending me the package, that's really nice, but I also want to thank Meta again for sending me the Quest 3. Otherwise that would not be possible and everything happens in the Meta Quest Creator Program. That's really nice. I really love that. I have a lot of fun with those guys, so thank you so much. So I attached the KIWI Design strap already. Look at this. Yeah, that's really nice. So you will attach this part here. Give me a second. I have to, you will see that here. You will push that inside and on the other side as well. And then you will attach the strap here. And then here on the left and right part, you will just push it and then it's attached. And it has this cool feature here. You can bend it up like this. Yeah, really nice. And it has a leather material here, yeah. Also, so the wheel has everything has really good quality, to be honest. So yeah, that's comfortable. That's really comfortable. You have the material here and at the back. You can attach that with the strap, of course. Give me a second, like this. And here it's really comfortable, really nice. And you can do like this and you can remove it very good, very good. And yeah, very comfortable. I think it's minimum as comfortable as the original Elite strap. This is the original Elite strap and this is one from KIWI Design. Yeah, so I think that's a good alternative in my opinion. Only thing is, of course, you don't have so much counterweight because, for me at least, because I have the strap without battery, but there's also one with battery. I will talk about that later. So the strap is really nice. And then the second thing that I want to show is the controller straps. Look at this. Yeah, really nice. And I will just quickly show how to assemble that. So you will get it like this, yeah, rubber material, and you can even keep the original strap. You will just push it there, and it comes out here. Then push it back here, like this. Give me a second, like this, and then push the stuff around the controller, and push your fingers through the strap. Here you go, and you can, of course, attach that for your hands, and then the other one, and here you go. And you will not definitely lose them, and you can even use the original straps for additional security if you like. Yeah, really nice, but it will not fall out of your hands, and it has good quality, and it also the controllers are protected at the same time. Yeah, not like with the original active straps. Really, really good. So I love them. And the third thing that I want to show you is the adapter kit from the old Quest 2 KIWI strap. So what you're gonna do is just remove the strap, whatever is connected, push this part there, and then use the old Quest 2 strap and push it inside this round thing holder here. Yeah, and on the other side as well. And then you can attach these small buttons and then the old Quest 2 KIWI Design strap. That's really nice. So yeah, cool accessories, definitely cool. And yeah, let's talk about the price. So the conversion kit that I showed you, the parts, is $10 so that you can attach the old equipment. Then the controller grips, a pair of them, are $23. Yeah, the head strap that you can see here from KIWI Design is $38. And there's also another one with battery included, that's $57. But unfortunately I cannot talk about it because I don't have it. It has 6,400 milliampere hours, so that should last for 1.5 to 2 additional hours, I think. Yeah, $57. So guys, for now there is a sale. If you watch this video until November 30th, 2023, there's a sale. You get 40% on all Quest 2 accessories and at least 5% on all Quest 3 accessories. So everything that I showed you in this video is 5% off now. Please go via my link that you can find in the description below. You will also support me a little bit. That's awesome. And yeah, it's really good quality and I totally love it. And yeah. So, as I said, if you want to see more Quest 3 accessories, check out the link and the info cards now in the description. Thank you for watching, give me a thumbs up and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE